So this is one of the free websites you can find information about parish registers. So this is FreeREG. So we're going to look for George Lavender. So surname first. It's always worth just checking that. It's caught me out a few times. Here you put a bracket of age range, date range. So we're going to put 1800 to 1815. Select a parish. Selecting Norfolk, and as soon as you click on that, all the parishes in Norfolk appear on the right hand side. We're assuming we don't know the parish, so we're going to click on the blank space above, and then we will look through all of the parishes of Norfolk. Going to click on baptism there, and then click on search and see what happens. So it tells you what you were searching for at the top, and then it's found one entry here. So we're going to click on view 1. And what has come up here is we've got it's the parish of Hoe. We've got the date of birth as the 24th of July and the date of baptism as the 14th of August, and the mother's surname is Hickleton. From this website you don't get a chance to look at the parish register, an image of the parish register itself, so you've got no way of verifying the information here, so you'd have to wait until you can go into the Norfolk Record Office and have a look on the microfilm or fiche, or go into your local library or the record office to look online at either Find My Pass or Ancestry to verify this entry.